It's Sooper Moojer.
Hello Super People! Today we're going to be unboxing Simpsons toys. These were a great set we found at Dollar Tree. So just for $1 each figurine is perfect for like a cake or to play with or any sort of Simpsons theme that you might need these figurines for. We're going to start first with Marge Simpson. This one's pretty. On the back of each box, you'll see all the 8 figurines that shows you the complete set. Here it's Bart as Bartman and Homer and Lisa and Maggie and Marge Simpson and Krusty the Clown, Chief Wiggum and Mr. Burns. Look at Marge, she looks great. I love the stand here. It's perfect to stand up on a table, a shelf, a dresser, wherever your Simpsons collection is. Next is Maggie. She's the baby of the family. Let's open her up. I really like these. I know I have a friend that loves the Simpsons. He would love these. Perfect for a shelf or anything but Simpsons. Very cute. Little Maggie. Next, we picked Lisa. This is Lisa. Her eyelashes look kind of long. Longer than usual. But overall, she looks really cute. Let's look at the back of her dress. Very nice. Her hair is very pointy. A lot of spikes everywhere. Very cute. And our next doll is Homer. Homer looks great with his 2 little strands of hair, and it looks like he's saying woohoo! Very nice. And here's Krusty. Krusty the Clown. I think out of all the figurines, this one looks the best. Very colorful with his bright shirt and bright green pants and big brown boots. And on the back, looks pretty good too. Bumpy hair. Very cute. That's Krusty the Clown. We have 3 more figurines to go. Here we're gonna open Mr. Burns. Mr. Burns. Ooh, he looks like he's saying excellent. Mr. Burns looks pretty cool. I love the bottom of these stands because they're perfect if you want to put them on a cake or anything. The bottom part is all black and has like little holes in it. But this would look so cute if you push it down into a cake. It would fit perfectly for somebody's birthday that likes The Simpsons. And the next one is Mr. Wiggum. He's the cop that's in The Simpsons, the police officer. Sometimes you'll see him eating donuts. And this is Mr. Wiggum. He has a lot of details on his costume. He has his little cup of coffee, his donut, his badge, his big brown belly, and his handcuffs and his gun on the side. Very detailed. And his big belly. That's funny belly. And last but not least, we have number 8, Mr. Bart Simpson himself, as Bartman. There's Mr. Bartman. Very cute, and I love how his cape is blowing in the wind. Very nice. He's gonna go next to Mr. Burns. figurine set from the Dollar Tree. Has Bart as Bartman, Mr. Burns, Krusty the Clown, Lisa Simpson, Marge the mommy, Maggie the little baby, Mr. Simpson Homer himself, and the policeman, Chief Wiggum. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Dollar Tree Simpsons. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.